Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. Focus continues to be the latest coming in from Maharashtra. The stage is set for the high-profile oath-taking ceremony in Maharashtra with top NDA leaders, including Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda in attendance. The leaders are expected to reach Azad Maidan shortly for the event, and it's going to be a mega ceremony and a show of strength as far as the NDA is concerned after achieving amazing results in a state like Maharashtra. Let me go across to my colleagues tracking the developments closely. We have Atul as well as Arunil joining us. Atul, to you first. आप हमें बताइए कि किस तरह का माहौल है, कौन-कौन आ चुका है सेरेमनी के लिए और कौन-कौन अभी आने वाला है?
देखिए, सबसे पहले आपको तस्वीर दिखा दे रहा हूं क्योंकि यहां पर कैलाश खेर पहुंच चुके हैं और उनका जो यहां पर परफॉर्मेंस है वो शुरू हो गया है और कितना एनर्जेटिक है उसकी तस्वीरें हम आपको लाइव दिखा रहे हैं। यहां पर कैलाश खेर अपने पूरे बैंड के साथ आए हुए हैं, परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे हैं और इस समय सेंटर स्टेज पूरी तरीके से सज चुका है। वीवीआईपी का आने का जो सिलसिला है वो शुरू हो चुका है और एक तरफ जहां पर वीवीआईपी हैं उनकी सेंटर स्टेज है तो वहीं बाईं तरफ वो परफॉर्मेंस वाला स्टेज बनाया गया है जहां पर बड़े बड़े सिंगर्स और सेलिब्रिटीज आगे परफॉर्मेंस देंगे। तो वहीं दाहिनी तरफ मेरे राइट हैंड साइड वो मंच बनाया गया है खास, जिसमें साधु संत और धर्मगुरु आ रहे हैं। करीबन 200 की संख्या में बताया जा रहा है कि धर्मगुरु आने वाले हैं और उनके साथ उनके अनुयायी भी बड़ी संख्या में आ रहे हैं। तो वहीं एक्सपेक्टेटर्स या हम कहें जो देखने के लिए दर्शक यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता और जो नेता हैं वो पहुंच रहे हैं। करीबन 20,000 से ज्यादा की उनकी संख्या है और लगातार यहाँ पर लोगों का आना शुरू हो चुका है। कई रास्ते ऐसे हैं आजाद मैदान के जिन्हें फिलहाल ट्रैफिक के लिए बंद कर दिया गया है और किसी भी वक्त यहाँ पर बताया जा रहा है कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस अपने दोनों साथियों के साथ यहाँ पर पहुंचेंगे। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात अभी ये जो डेवलप हुई है वो ये है कि डीसीएम यानी डिप्टी सीएम के तौर पर एकनाथ शिंदे शपथ लेने वाले हैं, ये तय हो चुका है क्योंकि उनका लेटर ऑफिशियली गवर्नर राज्यपाल को दे दिया गया है और अब तीन जो यहाँ पर शपथ होने वाले हैं देवेंद्र फडणवीस मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर और कहीं ना कहीं एकनाथ शिंदे और अजीत पवार, क्योंकि ये जो है तीन यहाँ पर शपथ लेंगे। दोनों बाकी के जो उनके सहयोगी हैं वो डिप्टी सीएम के तौर पर शपथ लेंगे। बाकी के जो पोर्टफोलियो या जो मंत्रालय का आवंटन है।
Atul, that's a big news that you are breaking for our viewers at this point in time, that it is now official. You're telling us Eknath Shinde will also be taking oath as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Remember, there wasn't really much clarity on this particular issue, but now Atul telling us that the letter has gone to the governor and it is also now confirmed pretty much that along with Ajit Pawar, even Eknath Shinde will take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, while the CM will be Devendra Fadnavis. Atul, stay on with us. Let me take that point across to Arunil as well, who's joining us live. Arunil, give us more details because, you know, that was the biggest thing people also wanted to know because the suspense was just continuing. We had seen Shinde Sena leaders appealing to Eknath Shinde that he should accept the post of Deputy CM, but now it seems he has given a nod.
Well, certainly, yes. Two pictures that Times Now basically accessed. In one picture, Uday Samant, Rahul Shewale, senior leaders from CM Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena party, going to the governor's office and giving the letter which basically mentioned, which confirms that Eknath Shinde will be attending the swearing-in ceremony. He will be taking oath as the Deputy CM of Maharashtra. In another picture was these leaders from Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena party also meeting Devendra Fadnavis to showcase that all is well within the Mahayuti. At present, I'm reporting from the main VIP gate over here. What we could see till now, Hina, is there were superstar actors like Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh. They have entered. You can see Arjun Kapoor in my frame. Arjun Kapoor basically going inside. So the who's who from Bollywood also basically are going inside from this VIP gate. We could see Ranbir Kapoor, we could see Ranveer Singh. Arjun Kapoor just entered some time back. However, the main spotlight will be on PM Modi. He is the main star of today's event, and obviously it is going to be Devendra Fadnavis as well. Devendra Fadnavis to be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the third time. He is the only leader in the last 2 decades to complete a full term as Maharashtra CM. He did it between 2014 to 2019, being touted as the comeback man. Why comeback man? Because when Uddhav Thackeray has snatched that CM post from him, he had famously said that me punna yein, I am going to come back, and now today marks the day wherein Devendra Fadnavis will be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The man from Nagpur who became a corporator at a very young age of 22, youngest mayor of Nagpur, became MLA in 1999. Devendra Fadnavis has risen above all his
absolutely, and in fact he is the man of the moment. And Arunil, we continue to stay live with the visuals that you are bringing for our viewers. Who's who from Bollywood are also going to be a part of this ceremony, this mega ceremony. And before I get you more details on what Devendra Fadnavis's wife said about his big day today, let's listen into what Uday Samant, the Shiv Sena leader, had to say when he confirmed that Eknath Shinde will also be taking oath today as the Deputy Chief Minister. Listen in.
क्या फैसला हुआ है? क्या
माननीय एकनाथ शिंदे साहब महाराष्ट्र राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री पद की शपथ लेंगे.
The reaction that we got for you. Let's now listen in to what wife of Devendra Fadnavis, Amrita Fadnavis, had to say when she addressed the media earlier.
आता तिसऱ्यांदा मुख्यमंत्री होत आहेत. खूप आनंदाची पण गोष्ट आहे आणि खूप जबाबदारीची गोष्ट आहे. मला खूप आनंद होतोय की त्यांची जी मेहनत आहे त्याला सफलता मिळालेली आहे. महायुती आता एकत्रित आहे आणि पुढे महाराष्ट्राच्या प्रगतीसाठी त्यांनी वाटचाल आता आजपासून चालू केलेली आहे. याचा मला खूप आनंद.
Becoming the Chief Minister for the third time, he's a 6th-time MLA. It obviously increases the responsibility on him. I'm extremely grateful to the people of Maharashtra.
त्यांचं जीवनात एक संघर्ष राहिलेला आहे. मी त्यांना जवळून पाहिलेलं आहे आणि त्यांची जी जिद्द आहे की जेव्हा काही करायचं ते ठरवतात, ते करून दाखवतात.
I've seen the life of Devendra Fadnavis very closely. He is a fighter. He has gone through many hardships.
पेशन्समुळे आणि जिद्दी आणि चिकाटीमुळे ते आज इथे आहेत.
Patience is the key. He has been very disciplined in his political career as well.
छठी बार MLA बन चुके हैं और तीसरी बार मुख्यमंत्री पद उनको मिल रहा है. उसका आनंद है, पर आनंद से ज्यादा एक जिम्मेदारी का मन में एक अनुभूति है और बहुत से काम हैं जो महाराष्ट्र के लिए करने हैं उनको, और हम सभी को उनका साथ देना है. तो उसकी ज्यादा एक जिम्मेदारी का जो एक एहसास है वो मन में ज्यादा है.
मैम, लाड़की बहन फ्लैगशिप प्रोजेक्ट रहा है सरकार का. कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे महिला आप चाहेंगी ज्यादा कैबिनेट वर्क में महिलाओं को ज्यादा मौका दिया जाए इस बार?
यकीनन लाड़की बहन तो बहुत ही सुंदर ऐसा एक प्रोजेक्ट रहा है जिसमें सारी बहनें बहुत प्यार से जुड़ी देवेंद्र जी के साथ, युति के साथ. और ऐसे ही जैसे आप जानते हैं विमेन बिल, ताकि हमारा रिप्रेजेंटेशन ज्यादा हो पार्लियामेंट में और पॉलिटिक्स में, वो ऑलरेडी पास हो चुका है और कुछ ही देर है कि ये पूरी तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट होगा.
All right, so that was the first reaction coming in from Amrita Fadnavis on this big day for Devendra Fadnavis. Let me go back to my colleagues who continue to be with us, Arunil as well as Atul. Arunil, tell us a little bit more about, in terms of the chief ministers of various NDA ruled states who all are likely to be present for this ceremony. I believe the invitation was extended to them, and anybody from the opposition who could also be present today.
Well, the invitation was also sent out to the opposition leaders, basically the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders in Maharashtra. Whether they will be coming, that confirmation we are still awaiting. on it with respect to the chief ministers of the NDA ruled states. We understand Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar already here in Mumbai. That's what is being confirmed by one of the agencies as well. So he is expected to come here. PM Modi obviously will be the main highlight. Him coming here will be the main highlight of the event. Home Minister Amit Shah will be coming. Eknath Shinde will be taking oath as Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The power dynamics in Maharashtra changed now after BJP's landslide numbers that they have got, because Eknath Shinde was the CM, Devendra Fadnavis was the Deputy CM, and Ajit Pawar was the second Deputy CM in Maharashtra. Now Devendra Fadnavis will don the number 1 position, and the number 2 and number 3 position. Obviously a tug of war will continue between Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar. Now at present I'm reporting from outside the main VIP gate of the iconic historic Azad Maidan. Several leaders basically are coming over here. In the frame is also a Mantri of the previous government. This is Anil Bhaidas Patil from Ajit Pawar's NCP. Several leaders basically are coming here. Who's who from Bollywood also we have basically noticed till now. We have seen actor Arjun Kapoor. We have seen actor Ranbir Kapoor as well. Ranbir Singh also basically coming here to attend this star-studded function wherein Devendra Fadnavis will be sworn in as the Chief Minister for the third time. Speaking about the man of the moment, Devendra Fadnavis, who basically has the backing of the RSS as well. In 2019, he could not become the Chief Minister because Uddhav Thackeray separated from the BJP. Devendra Fadnavis said, I'm going to come back. In 2.5 years, Eknath Shinde rebelled. Everybody thought Fadnavis is going to become the CM, but Shinde took the number 1 position in the state of Maharashtra.
And today he's going to be back as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, something that he vowed to achieve back in 2019. Arunil, stay on with us. Let me go back to Atul as well, who continues to be with us. Atul, ये 3 नाम तो अब क्लियर हो चुके हैं, देवेंद्र फडणवीस, एकनाथ शिंदे और अजीत पवार. इनके अलावा कितने और मंत्री हैं जिनकी आज शपथ ग्रहण हो सकती है, और क्या जानकारी है आपके पास पोर्टफोलियोज को लेकर?